Yes, they are. 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 About my nose. Yeah, they're going about my nose.
Easter eggs is great. Waiting for deals on kids' clothes, not so much. Mickey Parker, Burlington Confectionery Kids Fashion Buyer. I put together aisle after aisle, style after style of
Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her. Get her,
from
Lenny.
the smallest
Get her.
So if you're looking for amazing
Get her,
deals
Lenny.
for your whole
Get her.
family this Easter,
Get her.
Get
Get her.
me,
Get her. Get her.
Smidgen. Get him, Smidgen. Get him, Smidgen. Yes, her mommy's baby. Her mommy's baby girl. Yes, her is a poor baby girl.
Replace that old tub with a world cooler from Elger. They're all on sale.
Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her.
Every new vehicle marked with the lowest prices of the year. Like this 09 Ram Crew Cab makes $6,000 right off MSRP. Wow, he
Get her.
really will do whatever it takes.
Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her.
So call 1-888-4-PILSON now.
Get her. Get her, Lenny.
Pilson Auto Center in Charleston and Mattoon today. Stop.
Bite his butt.
Get her, Lenny.
Bite his butt. Bite his butt. Oh, it's good.
Drink right from the pitcher. You're stylish. With friends like these two niche professionals. TBS presents the one comedy you really should watch.
Bless you.
Get her, Lenny. Get her, Lenny. Get her.
Could you please call Terry Stinson from the Foothill Yearbook?
Get her, Lenny.
Track team, vice president of the student council, runner-up for popularity.
Where does it say that?
It's the type, sweetie. He's Mr. Second Best. It's kind of like when you won Brad Pitt and you got Matthew McConaughey.
Pull up the photo of his
Get
son,
her, Lenny.
Alex
Get her.
shows 3 classic
No.
examples of Mendelian inheritance.
Get her, Lenny. Get her.
Cheek dimple on
Get
the
her,
left
Lenny.
side,
Get her.
left chin,
Get her.
and detached earlobe,
Get her, Lenny.
Distinct facial features,
Get her, Lenny.
bloodshot eyes,
Get her.
symmetrical nostrils.
Get her.
just like his dad.
It's nothing like his dad. Oh boy.
Could you please replace Terry Stinson with Roger Dill?
Oh boy. 20 years ago, Terry Stinson finds out that Roger Dillon has sex with his girlfriend.
And he kills him.
Get her, Lenny. Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her, Lenny.
Did you know that it was possible?
Come here, Lenny. Get her. Get her, Lenny. Get her, Lenny. Get her, Lenny. Get her. Get her.
Answer that after the DNA test. Guess I just
So, you didn't know.
Terry didn't know.
Alex was born on January 7th, 1988.
Can't believe this. That means you were pregnant in the spring already. You just wanted me to believe that the baby was mine?
No. I wanted the baby inside me to be yours.
I don't get this. Roger, look, he was... Why did you sleep with Roger?
He was sweet. I knew he was nuts about me. I like feeling special. You know, let's face it, Terry, back then you were that guy. What guy? The guy who did anything you wanted. You didn't need me. Roger came over that day. He came through the swamp. He was filthy. His father had just beaten him up.
Did you tell Roger that you got him pregnant?
Yes. He wanted to marry me. He be a good get some money for us to go away together, but I told him I didn't want to. I was back with you by then. Only you.
Why didn't you tell me?
When I told you I was pregnant, you were so happy. It's when I knew that you loved me. You worked hard. We could have a great life together, and we did.
I'm sorry. I had to borrow one of your pictures.
Get him, Lenny. Who's there? Who's there, Lenny?
Well, when he had the money, he was never happy here. I figured that he just took off by himself. I'm so sorry. I always wanted to tell you the truth, but I just couldn't figure out how to tell you that Alex wasn't yours.
Alex is my son. We are a family.
Say hi, Devin. Hi, Devin. Say cheese. Cheese. See my hairy feet.
Well, the murder happened at night on a high school playing field. Not a likely place to find adults. Plus, teenagers are dominated by their id, which make them act irrational. Physiologically, their judgment's impaired by an incomplete frontal lobe.
You're what? 22, right? How's your frontal lobe? Almost there.
Again, a hectoring tone.
Alright, look, I'm sorry. Just keep going.
Alright, there was no sexual assault, no theft. The watch and other effects are still on him. Further indications that this was just a rash and youthful act.
Alright, that's good for a kid.
This is guesswork.
It's a logical interpretation of subjective analysis by a highly intelligent expert in his field, actually. The killer knew the exact date the time capsule would be opened when he put the victim in there. He's been waiting 20 years for that body to be found so he could reconcile himself with his past and finally pay for his crime.
Like Terry Stinson.
No. I think you're looking for someone who's been punishing himself for years. Someone self-destructive, working far below his potential.
So why didn't he just confess?
Most likely he has in some way, Agent Booth. The question is, are you listening?
The Agent Booth is an incredibly good listener.
Yeah, really.